Working in the rain. Yeah, mine's on. Glad it's not me. Tell you, glad it's not me. Boom shaka. Go on, lads. Go on. Go on then. Oh, I almost feel sorry for him. Almost. Well, I don't know what to say. It's unbelievable, isn't it, really? But to be expected. I'm on my favourite site, and two of the painters have been here from the same firm for 2 days snagging. Not my work, obviously. And don't you find it absolutely unbelievable? For 2 days, that's 2 lots of tea breaks and 2 lots of dinner breaks. And you know what they're like? They'll have an hour for dinner, won't they? Not once did they come in from next door or next door but one and sit with me and have a cup of tea. Not once. Bloody unbelievable. But saying that, from past experience, do you really want them having your break with you? Because they're like wolves in sheep's clothing, aren't they? If you know what I'm saying. Hey, wolves in sheep's clothing. Stab you in your back as soon as you turn. Probably not worth having them. But there you go. And speaking of useless idiots, at Candleman Manor, there's the BT pole outside, isn't there? You know, so you can get on the dog and bone. And a great big lorry hit it. It was something else, I tell you. You've never seen no likes in your life. And guess what? The security cameras at Candleman Manor. I don't know where I get it from, I really don't. Caught it all on film. Yeah. So, here it is. From yours truly. Check this out. What did you think of that? Absolutely unreal. And I reported it to BT, being part of the neighbourhood watch and all, and reported it to the local filth, or bobbies as we like to call them in the trade. And guess what? Neither of them wanted to know. Unreal. I said, I've got the footage of the company that's damaged BT's pole, or like BT. I said, I've got the image of the company on the side of the lorry, and yeah, they made out, they wanted it and all that lot, but when it all boiled down, they weren't that interested. I couldn't get my head around it. I thought, well, sod you then, I'll just use it for myself. Do you know what I mean? Hey, coppers these days, you know what their answer is to everything, don't you? We ain't got the budget for it. That's what they come out with. Yeah, we ain't got the budget for it. That's why all the thieves carry on stealing stuff and smashing into vans and shit like that, because they know, unless you get a clear image of the face, which most cameras won't pick up, or the registration, which cameras won't pick up if the lights are on the vehicle that you're using for a getaway, they know it's not going to get pursued. Cops ain't got time for it. They're not interested in the least. They won't do fingerprinting on your back of your van if it gets bust into a road like that. Just won't do it. We ain't got the budget. Speaking of which, I should have got it on film. Well, I don't know why I didn't stop, but I got up one morning, the van parked in front of me, and I was looking at the back doors of this van through my car. I thought, them back doors are open on that van. Drove past it, the dead slow, stopped, looked at the back of the van, both windows smashed in and everything, all this kit nicked. But who's to blame for that? You know what I mean? Because they watch the vans, don't they? And yeah, they watch the vans, and if you leave all your kit in, you've only got yourself to blame, really. I know it's a ball ache, you have to take it out, don't you? Put one of them stickers on the back. No kit in this van. Because thieves, yeah, they just sit down on the road and watch you, see what you get in and out of your van. But yeah, had all this stuff nicked and everything. And nothing will come of it because it ain't got it on film. And my cameras just missed the back of the van by about 2 or 3 foot. So I didn't get none of it on footage. Shame. But yeah, there you go. Not to worry. I'll tell you what, I ain't got the budget. Look at that lot, lads. Shift in there now. Look at that lot on the left. They're all going to be ready soon for me. Hey, landed on my feet here. Hey, landed on my feet. Look at that lot. Amazing. Couldn't ask for no more, could you? For anybody that's interested, yours truly, the one, the only Candleman, has had a thing called tongue tie since birth. Now, apparently, mothers are supposed to get it done to the kids when they're born, but obviously I didn't have it done. And I didn't realise you can have it done at a later date. So I'm going to get it done. Basically, aren't I? And yeah. And bit of skin from your jaw up to the bottom of your tongue stops you sticking your tongue out. Well, needless to say, Melina is not too happy about it, is she? Hey? So, yeah, I'm having it done. So basically, I can't stick my tongue out, look. That's it. That's as far as I can stick my tongue out. But tomorrow, it's going to be done on the NHS. So I'm getting some of me hard-earned NHS money back. Right, I've only been there about 30 seconds. Nummy, snip, job's a good one. Probably won't be able to talk for a week. I'm going, okay. Probably getting it up for a bit. But I know somebody who's going to be an happy bunny. Stay tuned to see how far I can stick my tongue out. I tell you what, you're not going to believe this outside the sales. Check it out, it's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Hey, see that very often, do you? It's a good bit of kit, isn't it? I like that. Impressed with that. Impressed. Good bit of kit, that is. What do you reckon? Worth a few quid that. What do you think?